As we were traveling around, we decided that there was more of a call. I had a lot of people that were contacting me, asking me for assistance for DIY installs or, to help them do an install. And so I knew that there was a demand. The opportunity came up to open up an actual shop. It was going to allow us to slow down a little bit, to have something stable, and give me the opportunity to create something that I've been talking about for years that I've wanted to do. Panels Up Solar, we specialize in RV installations, but we also assist people in being able to answer the questions that they don't even know they have yet. We specialize in custom designing a system that is going to be right for them. We don't sell bundles, we don't sell packages, we don't sell, anything like that. Every install that comes in is a custom install. A DIY install can certainly benefit the people who don't have the knowledge to do it on their own. They may not have the tools, they may not have the time. The lithium technology has made a huge, huge impact in our life when we were able to do the install for the Battle Born batteries. Between the batteries doing what they need to do and be able to reliably provide the power to the inverters, to the solar charge controllers, there's no thought involved. We predominantly use the Battle Born batteries because we've lived it. We've experienced the benefits of the lithium technology. We've experienced the service and the abilities of the Battle Born, the reliability of the Battle Born batteries. I know that the equipment that I'm running, the Battle Born, the Victron, that I know that those are good products. If somebody goes and invests in those systems, I know that they're going to get a good product. And it's something that I'm willing to stand behind